go. You ready, Jason?
Ready, bring it, baby.
All right.
Woo!
And action.
Woo! Okay, sorry, I just get that out. Oh. Welcome to Clash of the Crafters, where two inexperienced competitors
Tell me, I have no idea what I'm doing.
will be going head-to-head for glory and the golden glue gun.
Oh.
We'll see who is the good egg
I'm afraid to do this in front of people, but
Good thing it's just gonna be on the internet.
and who is the bad egg.
She stole my directions.
can I eat her? My competitor must use the tiny hand.
Oh!
I just know the flour's just gonna stop.
I don't really like texture on my hand.
That's gonna be a problem for you.
So
You can tell, Mr. Gloves.
Ow! Don't touch the hot glue.
Great idea.